Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the surface so the repair bonds. Clean thoroughly with soap and 70% isopropyl, then dry. Sand the damaged area with 400-600 grit until edges are feathered. This avoids visible ridges. Once done, mask surrounding panels to protect them and apply a thin primer coat. Wait 5-10 minutes for the flash, then add a second light coat. Make sure to keep strokes even. You want a smooth base for the next steps. You move on to color application with controlled technique to match surrounding finish. Mix paint exactly per updated formula and test spray on scrap to confirm color. Hold the gun, or can 8-10 inches away, and apply 3 light, overlapping coats, allowing about 5 minutes flash between each to avoid runs. Once the final coat cures for 24 hours, wet sand using 1,000-1,500 grit to level any texture. Then clean off residue thoroughly so the clear coat will adhere properly. You finish by sealing the work with clear coat to restore gloss and protection. Spray 2-3 thin clear coats from 8-10 inches away, allowing about 10 minutes flash between coats to prevent sagging. After a 24-48 hour cure, wet sand and compound using 2,000-3,000 grit polish to achieve shine. If you spot orange peel or runs, don't panic. Wet sand the affected area lightly, clean, then reapply a small local clear coat. This targeted fix prevents redoing the entire panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.